like me. Ain't cut like these bitches, count up a check in a white tee. Bitch, I'm road running, I don't give a fuck who beside me. Feel the coldest bitch, it don't even matter who bite me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in into this video. So into this video I have this sensational synthetic cloud9 watt lace wig right here, and this is from the company Hairsofly with the HD lace. And also this company claims that the hairline is very flawless. Okay, it's undetectable. So I'm trying them out for the first time. So in the back of the box it shows you the construction of the wig, how undetectable it looked, and also how it's customized. It's a 13x6 customized wig, and also show you that it's a pre-customized unit and the hair care maintenance. If you don't know how to care for any synthetic wigs, it shows you that in the back of the box. So let's get right into styling this synthetic wig. Okay, so this looked crazy. Okay, this looked very crazy. So at first I wasn't gonna do the ball cap method, but then I realized that my wig cap is showing, and you can see it right here. It's showing, so I end up taking this wig off and do the ball cap method, so you know we can look flawless and cute and popping. So yeah. So I have other wig install videos on my YouTube channel. There's a playlist. You can go ahead and click the playlist and go and watch my videos if you want an in-depth tutorial. I'm not doing that in this video. Main reason being is the synthetic lace wig units, and I feel like all of my wig installments is pretty much the same. I really don't do nothing much different. So I feel like I don't need to do a in-depth tutorial because all of my installments is the same. But this is my first time installing a synthetic wig, and I would say it's pretty tough being because it's synthetic. I've always been installing, you know, human hair wigs, and I'm trying out this for the first time because I've realized that I'm spending so much money on all these wigs, and when I wear it one time or two times, I just throw them away. So I'm like, you know, why don't I just stick to my budget and, you know, slay on a budget? So that's what I'm doing in this video. I'm slaying on a budget. So if you guys are interested and want to purchase you this same specific wig or any other type of wig, the link to the website for this wig will be in the description box. So right here I'm just blending out the cap. At first I went in with my loose face powder, and that wasn't working, so now I'm just going in with my Fit Me Mocha foundation to blend out the cap, because at first, you know, you guys see that the cap wasn't my skin color, so I'm just blending it out so that way it can look like my skin color. So when I apply the wig unit, it just looked like scalp. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing to the wig, but before I apply the foundation to the makeup, I mean the foundation to the makeup. Before I apply the foundation to my lace, I'm going to spray the lace first, so that way, you know, the foundation doesn't seep through. So yeah. So I've learned this tip from one of my favorite YouTubers, Love Your Natural. She's really good in you know, giving putting out informational videos, let me just say like that. So I learned this from her, and ever since that I've been doing this step in, you know, installing my wig units. It's been really helpful, and you know, my lace have been really looking like scalp. So if you guys are interested, you can take this tip from me, or you could go ahead and look at her videos. It would be very helpful. So hairline could blend seamlessly. Just take your Got To Be Free spray again and spray it, and then you're gonna blow dry that. Now that we have our lace tinted, Period. I like to make sure that I have a middle part so I know that the wig is in the middle. It's already hot. Look at that part. Let's go, baby. So I use this to lay my wig down, and that'll take like a good bit amount, like so. Now that I cut these into 4, right? 4 flaps, it makes the process more easier to basically handle and deal with. I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Free spray and just spray like any parts that's like lifting up and such, like right here. I want a side part. I don't know. So now that I have my baby hairs laid, which was a struggle to do, I'm gonna go in with my Garnier Fructis instead of my Got to Be hold spray to hold down any flyaways. Before I close off this video, I want to sit here and let you guys know I did attempt to curl it. And apparently the curls wasn't trying to stay. I don't know if it's because it's synthetic, but just wasn't curling. I think I'll just stay with it straight. It still look cute. Now I'm finna close up this video. This is the ending of this video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys turn on your post notification bell so you guys won't miss an upload when I upload another video. And yeah, see y'all in the next one. Bye.